Hey folks, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube annotations to mark up your video so that people can subscribe and find other videos while they're watching your current video. If you haven't stepped into a portal of Minecrafty Doom or whatever, this is another channel I have called Dadding My Way Through Minecraft, and I'm just using it as an example to show what I mean. So what I want to show in this video. Up here in the top left, I've got this link here, which this is a series of videos that I've been doing on Minecraft with my son, or for my son, and basically you can watch, this happens to be episode 10 that I'm on right now. If you wanted to go back to episode 9, you would click here and that would take you to episode 9. That's an annotation up here that isn't there by default. YouTube doesn't add those automatically for you. There is playlists down below where it suggests the next video you might want to watch, which work great as well. But when someone's watching and they, rather than them getting bored and moving on to a different video completely, if they're wanting to leave your video anyways, rather have them go to one of your own videos. So that's one reason to use annotations. The other is, if I can skip ahead here quickly enough, towards the end of the video, I add these annotations to subscribe and to visit my website. And so these are extra little video annotations as well. Rather than, again, saying, putting the link down below, which you can do. That's certainly helpful as well in the description. But more importantly, adding it on the actual video itself. So then when in the video later, you can say, please subscribe to my videos, please visit my website, etc. So how you do that is actually kind of simple. It looks maybe a little complicated. So I'm just going to go back to this video that I was making, or that we were looking at there, episode 10. So don't click on the video itself, click on edit, and that'll take you to the video edit page on YouTube. And this is where you can fill in all the details and keywords and all that kind of stuff. But what you want to go is to annotations. And it'll load up the video itself and start playing it, and in just a smaller version, obviously, of the video. You can see I've got this episode 9 annotation already in there, which is this guy up here. And what I forgot to do is put episode 10 link to the, or sorry, episode 11, I guess it would be, the video after this one in the series. And so I can add another annotation. And so by going over here, clicking, these are notes. You can do speech bubbles. A spotlight is kind of just a way to highlight a certain area of the video without actually having anything on the screen. I use the notes typically. And so it just adds this little block. And what you're looking at down here is like the time code for the whole video, just like you'd see in iMovie or things like that. And so some annotations you want to just be on part of the video, and some you maybe want to be through the whole thing. This one, in my case, I want to be there the whole time. And so just because I put it there at the very beginning, so I put a little episode 11 here. Oops. And then I use a character. Hopefully, if it comes up quickly, throw a little arrow in there. And then you can just drag this annotation over. And you can change the font size. It won't actually, like if I choose this big font, it won't get bigger, that much bigger, until I actually drag out the space that is available for that annotation. So I think I was using 13. But you don't want it to be too obtrusive and over top of the existing video. But and then you can have black or white text. Obviously, in my case, I want white. You can have a background if you want to make it stand out a little more. I was doing just transparent, so that, again, so the video underneath it, it's actually playing, will still continue playing. And then if you want to fine tune the actual start time, so in my case, I want this to actually start right at the beginning and goes all the way to the end. That's that. Okay, I mistakenly picked the completely transparent, I think. I'm not sure. It's because that option basically doesn't allow you to do any of the linking and stuff that we want to do. Okay, so episode 11, and I got the time code, and I want it to be a link to another video. You can see you can link to a video, a playlist, a channel, your Google Plus page, a subscribe button, a fundraising project, a website, merchandise, all that kind of stuff. So I've got the link here in the next episode linked. Paste the link right in. You can click preview and it'll, in a new tab, open up to make sure you're going to the right video, which is what I wanted it to do. Close that. You can have it, I've gone back and forth. I sometimes have it open in a new window. I like to let the user or the viewer sometimes choose. And then just hit save, and it saves automatically as you go. So if it's already grayed out, that means it's saved already, and hit publish. And then that adds that annotation to the video. So now you can click on the title here and view the video. It should, if YouTube is behaving, have, after I skip the ad here.
The inside out began when I got onto the school bus and
so there's my link to episode 11 and episode 9. There. So the other one that we did, or that I have in this video, like I was saying, is at the end. This is what I would advise lots of folks to do, is you do a little, within the video, you ask for people to subscribe. And then you can hear I do it in here, I think. So in the meantime, I think maybe I hope I didn't go too short, but we will see you later. If you want to, if you appreciate, like, favorite, love, enjoy this episode, I would appreciate a little thumbs up down below, subscribe in the subscribe box on the screen. And so yeah, you can see right here, I asked for somebody to subscribe. And so that's just another annotation. And as the same, like I said, doing a note, some text on the screen, subscribe please. I made that one a little bit bigger, dragged it into the middle, used a different color, and just had it appear at the end. And again, a link box to a subscribe instead of before we did to the video. And then it'll actually take people right to your channel to confirm that they want to subscribe. Same thing with the visit my website option for annotation. Again, bigger, different colors, whatever, and link to an associated website, which you throw your website address in there and preview the link, and away you go. And so that's how, very simply, you can add those annotations to your video, and just helps with getting viewers engaged, subscribing, sharing, liking, asking for likes, like the thumbs up or thumbs down, I guess, hopefully thumbs up, on your videos as well, just as a way to get people involved, because it's, as silly as it feels sometimes, it's sometimes the only way to get people and remind people to do that kind of stuff. And you don't have to force them, obviously, but just asking for it is a nice thing to do. Say please, and then asking them to subscribe. Okay, so that's how you edit and add annotations to your YouTube videos. If you've got questions, feel free to throw them down below in the comments. And like I said in this video, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up down below, and definitely, of course, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.